Right, so we made it out of the chaos. And we're going through an alley right now. Prince, where are we going now?
It's in that hotel.
Yeah?
Yeah, the name of the hotel is Oh God, Please Run My Hotel.
Oh, please? Say it again slower.
Oh God, please run the hotel.
Oh God, please run the hotel. I love it. Here we go in. Ah, look at this barbecue here. Oh my God. Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you?
Fine, sir.
I guess we're having barbecue.
Yeah, it's this. The chicken area is this only.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's sit. Or are we gonna order, or how does this work?
Yeah, just make an order. Yeah, butter chicken lagwa dijiye. Quarter boneless. Quarter.
And you got like the
Or
barbecue
malai
over
chicken
there.
bhi lagwa dena,
This is
quarter
pretty
boneless.
much the restaurant. Like there's not much. That's it here and then inside. And that's all you need. That's all we need.
It's in here?
Yeah.
Should.
Awesome. Right. So we got served the food. And Prince, what did we get?
It's butter malai chicken.
Butter malai chicken.
Or you call it just creamy chicken.
Smells amazing though.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
You'll have an idea of how the butter chicken is in the Mughlai way. We've
Right.
already had it. It's the butter chicken in Mughlai.
Ah, that's the butter chicken.
Till now we
Just
were
on
having
time.
it in like Punjabi style.
Right. Okay.
And it's another type of butter chicken.
I like it. Let's dig in.
Yeah, the chicken man.
So he was saying to me like this is one of the best places. I'm gonna grab very quickly a bread here. So he was saying to me like it's one of the best places. There's the previous video that we watched with the place that I went in when I started the video like in the tuk-tuk and all the way to have the chicken, and I met this amazing guy. We were eating together. Prince told me about this place, and now he's bringing us here now for this. Got my personal tour guide here, you know, it's amazing. Right, let's dig in very quickly. We're gonna do this like that, dip the bread, grab a piece of chicken just like that. By the way, the chicken is barbecued, alright? Oh my God, it's so tender. And we're gonna take a bite like that.
Dip it again. Dip it again.
Dip it again?
But just roll it up. Then have it.
Alright, this is the Indian proper way. Oh my God, the bread is so thin. Oh my God. Oh man, that is
Finish this bite, then only you'll be able to, you know.
that is actually really good. Some bites you take of food, the moment it enters your mouth, it's just, you know, it's so good. And that was the moment. I just put it in my mouth, like the flavors, the aroma. Oh my God, it's amazing.
The satisfaction it gives you. Man.
It's really, really, really good.
Yeah.
That bite was incredible.
You tried this one also. It's another.
And also, what was I gonna say? So the flavor is spicy, but I can handle it. This is my kind of spicy. There's so much flavor jumping in as well, and the flavor is like lemony kind of thing, and the burn of the chicken because of the barbecue, the grill is amazing. Like it plays very well. And we're gonna make it very quick because like Prince is hungry too, you know.
Yeah.
But you can eat, man.
Yeah,
there's no rules. You know, there's no
I
rules.
just want you to, you know, observe it properly and then split it up completely into the camera. Because, you know, the people on the other side of the camera, it's like they should get the wholesome experience of this, no? That's
Exactly. That's what I'm trying to do. All right, let's try this. This is the creamy one, did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna take a small piece like that and dip it in with all the sauce. Oh my God, it's so oily, so creamy. Oh, look at that. We're gonna do it more. Just like that. So messy, and I love it.
It's all good.
Oh wow.
The spices are less in it, but it's more creamy.
Oh wow.
And that one is all about
Oh,
spices.
I like that, man.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
I knew
Actually,
you're gonna like it, bro.
I like that a lot. So Prince know that my favorite Indian dish is butter chicken, right? And now we're gonna introduce a different kind of type of butter chicken. This is the real deal, by the way, not like the way how the European. You
Can't
know?
miss this.
Oh, I can't.
Just after a while, you need to have.
So he's talking about this, but we're not gonna do it on camera because
okay,
I want you to eat, bro. I really want you to eat.
All right.
We're gonna finish this, and are we doing something else?
Yeah, there's a lot to eat, man. There's a lot. It's just the starter.
We're gonna eat more apparently. As I said, this is a food vlog. Yeah, this is how actually they barbecue it here. Over there. That's the barbecue there. That's the chicken that we actually got. And then they marinate it in the goodness here. Look, this is the marination, but this is a different type of chicken there. But this one is what, you know, catches the attention, is that here. That's where the magic is, but obviously there's more of it. Anyway, it was really amazing. This food is incredible.